Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. This Phalaenopsis orchid has been lacking water for a long time and its growth has stagnated. Wrinkled leaves and dry roots. Share with you today. This amazing repair. Let them bloom again. Make the root system strong and full. From withered to healthy, Phalaenopsis Recovery Diary. Today is August 14th. First, remove the sphagnum moss and check the roots. Remove dead and unhealthy leaves first. Trim away any dry and rotten roots and remaining flower stalks. Minimize gaps and dead corners. Clean it thoroughly and keep only the healthy parts of the stem and root. Rinse with clean water to remove mold and bacteria. Apply a small amount of cinnamon powder to the cuts. Helps wounds heal. Now put it in a well-ventilated place to dry for a day. Millet is a nutritious grain. Includes phosphorus, potassium, and vitamins B. Add 3 spoons of millet. Next, add a spoonful of turmeric powder, about 1 gram. Turmeric has natural antibacterial effects. Soak in hot water. Leave overnight. Okay, let's take out the nutrient solution we made yesterday and filter out the residue. Add water and dilute to 1000 cc. Wipe the leaves with a damp cotton pad. Next, soak the roots to encourage them to absorb beneficial ingredients. Soak for 20 minutes. Cultivated in sphagnum moss. Pay attention to maintaining dry and wet alternating cycles. Spray water once every 4 to 7 days. Use nutrient water every 2 weeks. Place it in a bright and ventilated place indoors and wait for it to recover slowly. Today is October 5th. Let's take a look at its current status. Two new leaves grew. The root system is also restored to health and fullness. Wow, it's a bit hard to take out. It must have gained weight. Sorry. Let's find it a new home. Large pine bark for the bottom of the pot. Use 1:1 small pine bark plus sphagnum moss on top. This allows for moisture retention and breathability. Then move it to a sunny place for normal maintenance. Finally, clean the leaf debris. Today I shared this repair diary. Hope it helps. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, and liking. See you in the next video.